nation's leading emergency manager, and I mean that as not hyperbole, who's been on the ground in Hawaii since before the fires erupted as our chief federal response coordinator to lead our long-term recovery on Maui. That charge seems making sure the community has
Lucky I remembered this just in time. I don't want to forget about this. You have no idea how many times I've forgotten how to draw this guy. I mean, you have no idea how many times I've forgotten to draw this guy. Tonight we're going to draw Venomyotismon. Yeah, one of the tallest Digimon on the playlist and on the series. I don't know how long it took for me to remember drawing this guy. I was going to draw this on big paper, but after remembering what I did on Greatest Cutemon, I think this paper would be big enough. And there.
Technology like smart meters that can tell you where the problem actually is when the line goes down. That's part of the problem. A lot of these, other not Hawaii's, Maui's not that big, but in parts of California,
let's see.
Where did the
Whoa.
wire go down? We're going to be installing meters that let the person sitting back in headquarters know, whoa, it went down at such and such a coordinate, such and such a coordinate.
I think we're in an airheads commercial. Oscar, that?
Airheads have more fun.
Here are his legs.
Jesus Christ, really?
This is the
Become a member of Unrelent Gaming's Patreon for exclusive manga content and early access. Isn't that right, Seth?
I already joined this Patreon today. Tons of great stuff on there, actually. But did you really have to blow up the city? Blew up the domino. You blew up the domino, and you're laughing. Do you realize the big crisis here?
And you will, unless you subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications right now.
Or else what? You'll aggressively scream another man's name for several hours?
Kakarot! Kakarot!
Here are the legs here.
Well, it looks like it's all now finally come down to this. And with Goku's angel powers now fully awakened for what presumably might be the final time, if Goku isn't successful in finally putting Cooler down for good, then I'm afraid the worst is only yet to follow. If Goku hopes to win, then he mustn't allow for his forgiving nature to get in the way of everyone's survival. For if it does, and if Goku isn't careful, then it could ultimately be the end of everything as he knows it.
As our story now continues, following the initial battle involving both Platinum Cooler and Angel Goku, as with Angel
Here's
Goku
his
had
hand.
shown having to slowly approach Cooler was when Cooler had then began to power up by then responding, "You think I'm afraid of you, Saiyan? I don't care what you claim this power of yours is or how far you and Vegeta have gotten in obtaining such strength. Neither of you are unbeatable because you have both been beaten before. And that's all that I need to know. So no matter how strong you've become, remember this. You Saiyans were never meant to fight forever. You will tire out, and that's when I'll crush you, Goku. Your optimism is your greatest weakness, so take this moment to soak this all in while you can, because this is going to be the last time that you will ever see me or this planet ever again." With Goku then responding, "There's no point in wasting your breath, Cooler. I've encountered countless enemies like you, with each believing that they were the epitome of absolute power, and yet here I stand unbroken by their efforts. You should have been smart enough to open your eyes to the truth when you had the chance to do it," Angel Goku then went on to continue. "You believe that you can extinguish stars and shroud worlds in darkness, but as long as there are those like myself and Vegeta who oppose you, you will never have your way with any world or any life form, so as long as we are around to stop you. And you can't stand knowing that, now can you?"
And
Because
much
you
like
know
discovered
you've
in the
lost, which upon Cooler now
Digimon
taking action
game,
towards Goku is when Cooler then went on to
he's
shout,
got really, really long arms.
"Dead, Saiyan! You and Vegeta have lived long enough, and so now it's time that one of you is hereby destroyed.
Huh. I feel like Angel Goku and Mastered Ultra Ego Vegeta should have, like, these special voices in the background.
Effortlessly blocking Cooler's strike was when Beerus went on to chime in, "There's no way that this Cooler is going to get very far against this Saiyan unless something drastic were to happen. But tell me something, Whis. Does this angel form that Goku is using come with any sort of a price? What's the catch here with the power that Goku is wielding?" With Whis then responding, "Well, the main reason on why Goku has to drop down into a cooldown period is simply because his mortal body is not designed to contain and wield such a level of divine energy without direct training by the Grand Priest. I don't see any situation throughout this battle where Cooler is able to go toe-to-toe with Goku here, but there is one small issue here," Whis continues, "and that's if Goku drops back down and attempts to re-enter into using this level of power again, then it can destroy him. Goku is fairly new to using such a form, and so just as it was with how he helped him master Ultra Instinct, such must be the
There we
case
are.
here if he wishes to fully use this transformation without having to drop back down a level in order for him to recover."
And, well,
Surprisingly enough, the moment Platinum Cooler was
even though his
about to
body is really large, he hardly ever got time to use his wings.
"There we go. Now I've got you right where I want you, monkey. What did I say? Answer me, Saiyan. Did I not warn you that this was going to happen? You're finished." With Yoshino then responding, "Wait, what? Are you kidding me here? What just happened? There's no way that you're going to tell me that he was able to just do that to the Saiyan mortal." With Takira then responding, "That's because he didn't. It was done intentionally so the Saiyan allowed for it to happen. As to why, well, watch closely. He's going to prove his point and set the example." As Cooler then went on to aim his finger at Goku's skull by then responding, "Remember this moment, Saiyan. The difference between us is simple. I am evolution perfected, and you're just a dead man, monkey. Any
There he
last
is.
words before you
That's how you
die,
draw
Saiyan?"
Venomyotismon.
Muttering, "You don't scare me. Wait for it." To which, as Cooler was then shown having to do, it was only
Good thing I
during
didn't
that
forget
moment
about
that
this.
Goku having